22 misses.
Obururu bwa za group bw'empaka za Fiasoko bukwasirwe timu za Ankole ezirimu St Elizabeth Girls Secondary School eyashikira mu finals ihanga ryona eri kusingwa ba Bukedia Comprehensive eyabihireho ekikopo kya volleyball yabishiki bari mu group emwe na timu ya St Aloys Rwamagana ku ruga Rwanda, Seroma Christian High School ya Uganda, Ruguru Girls High School na Kwathanza Secondary School ku ruga Kenya. Baba Bukedia bari mu group ya kabiri na Nabisunsa Girls ya Uganda, Soweto SS ya Kenya, Masasi Day Secondary School ya Tanzania na Kesogon Secondary School ya Kenya. Mu volleyball y'abojo St Augustine High School eyantungamo eryo mu group ya kabiri na timu ya Namugongo ya Uganda, Tere SS na Hospital SS za Kenya, Tobara Boys ya Tanzania hamwe na Gosob Huye ya Rwanda. Ntare School of Hockey bagitiro mu group emwe na Mbara High School ya Uganda, Misungu Secondary School ya Kenya na Arusha Meru SS ya Tanzania. Empakeze nezo kutandika 2018 byo kwezo ku aho abeja barakwika 13 barakwija ku rugo mu mahanga agaburenge bwizoba bwa Africa kujeta bamo barukwaya no mizane itari yemwe nemwe erimo kwiruka, okubaka, omupira gw'ebigere, basketball, tennis, rugby, hockey, handball, badminton hamwe na volleyball.
Because the last ceremony will need you. Those who are receiving trophies don't go away, because the last ceremony will need all of us on this stage.